What's up, everybody? It's your boy back at it again with another YouTube video. It's been a little bit, but you know, I do my best. So anyway, today I'm going to talk about RaceChip, why I got it, why I didn't get the other products. I got the RaceChip GTS on a Black Friday sale. It was extremely discounted. And this is not a paid advertisement or anything like that. I'm doing this with my own money. And so I got RaceChip because I have no plans on using alternative fuels like E85 and a meth injection kit. No hate on that. Actually, I think it would be extremely fun to do that stuff. But this is my daily driver, and I just don't want to sink money into parts that might break if I do that. So I'm not saying it will happen, but you just never know. Okay. So with the RaceChip GTS, the RaceChip claims that you can get 58 extra horsepower and 118 foot-pounds of torque. So if you add that to the stock claims, that is just over 420 horsepower and about, I would say, just over 500 foot-pounds of torque. When you install the RaceChip, it installs within, I would say, about 15 minutes. It's actually really simple. It's just the process is kind of funny because you have to make the car go to sleep, and you know, you put your keys 15 feet away from your car and keep the car unlocked and wait for it to all go to sleep before you start installing stuff. It just sounds funny. So yeah, I have the Bluetooth. It's all built into the unit. So the Bluetooth, this is what it looks like. You have Eco, Sport, and Race. And with the GTS, you have 7 different mappings, so you can tune it however you would like. There are, and it's really easy to use. I mean, it connects to the Bluetooth real easy. I mean, I can even turn it off and just go stock power. So so with the Bluetooth, you know, with other products, you may have to buy a separate Bluetooth controller. This is all done through the app and the built-in Bluetooth on the module itself. You do have to purchase the app, which is $50. You can download it for free to kind of look at it and stuff, but it doesn't do anything. You don't necessarily need the app because you can change your different race modes on the module, but you actually get more abilities on the app. So I suggest going for the app. It makes things much easier, especially if you're kind of cruising in eco mode and you see someone you want to take on, and you can just open it up and change it to whatever you want. So I don't condone that, but that's life, that's reality, right? So without further ado, I am going to try to get some good 0 to 60 times. So it started to rain, and you know, when the streets are wet, you can't give the full effect, and you know, you might get slippy slidey. Anyway, so let's take a look at how the RaceChip is set up.
Oh shit, this is fucking cool. Whoa!
The RaceChip sits right here, right above where the little positive battery terminals. This is also where the fuse box is. I will get vanity covers. I actually have them in my garage right now, just waiting to be installed. So if you follow this wire, you have 3 different connections. You have this one here, and then you have 2 back there. It's really hard to see, but it goes, there's one that's a little bit more challenging to get to, but as you can see, a maintenance-free oil catch can. So it's actually really easy to install. Like I said before, I did it in about 15 minutes. So that is what the RaceChip looks like under the hood. All right, so that concludes the end of my RaceChip video. If you could please like and subscribe to my channel, I really would appreciate it. I try to get these videos out every week. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. And until next time. It's so bright up in here, man.